Now that we've successfully converted all our PURSE tokens to the Ethereum chain, it's time for the exciting part: minting your first PurseBOX NFT. Let's walk through each step to bring your digital asset into existence. Start by navigating to the official PurseBOX website at purse.land. Click on the Mint PurseBOX NFT button, which will redirect you to the minting page. Ensure that your FX mobile wallet is open and set to your Ethereum wallet. Verify that you have sufficient Ethereum in your wallet to cover the gas fees for minting. This is crucial as blockchain transactions require these fees. On the PurseBOX minting page, click on Connect and then choose Wallet Connect. A QR code will appear on the screen. Use your FX wallet to scan this QR code. After scanning, authorize the connection in your FX wallet. This step will securely link your wallet to the minting service. Once connected, the interface will display the total PURSE tokens available in your wallet and provide details about the PurseBOX NFTs. With 2 million PURSE tokens, you are eligible to mint 2 PurseBOX NFTs. Enter the number of PurseBOX NFTs you wish to mint and click on the mint icon. Approve the minting transaction in your FX wallet and pay the necessary gas fee. Be patient as the minting process may take some time to finalize. Upon successful minting, the platform will show the IDs of your newly created NFTs. If you chose to mint 2 NFTs, 2 IDs will be displayed. Note that the color traits of your NFTs are not assigned immediately and will update shortly after minting. Finally, check the NFT section in your FX wallet. Here you can view both NFTs. Please allow some time for the full details and color traits to be updated in your wallet. Congratulations! You have successfully minted your PurseBOX NFTs. This marks the end of our tutorial series. You now have exclusive digital assets on the Ethereum blockchain, ready to be used or traded as you see fit. Thank you for following along and enjoy your new NFTs.